Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and basically all we have to do is to tap on About Tablet, which is at the top in this left section. Now let's scroll a little bit to find Backup and Restore, and here let's find the Google Backup section. Now we have to tap on Backup Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here from the step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but let me tap on accept because we should have more information here. So as you can see, you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish. And as you can see right here, we've got our Google account added, which simply means that from now on your device will back up the data there. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.